cutting the fish in line, you have to be careful.
What I will do is measure this more. Maybe to one of the spots.
Guys, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to talk about turmeric oil. Turmeric is a very good and active ingredient for skin brightening, for clearing of skin patches. Today, we are going to look at how turmeric looks like. This is the root, okay? This is the peeled one, and this is the grated turmeric. And the oil, our carrier oil today, we are going to use sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is good for all skin types. That's why I always choose to use sunflower oil as our carrier oil in most of our body oils. Okay, now if you're looking to tone your skin, if you're looking to brighten your skin over time, if you have dark patches on your skin, if you also have skin problems, this is the kind of turmeric oil you're going to use. So let's look at the first step. The first step is to peel the turmeric. Alright, you peel the turmeric this way. This is how turmeric looks. You go to the market, you can get it this way. And you peel it, this is how it looks. And then you grate it just the way we've grated it. Okay, and then the next step is to get your pots and your stove ready. So I am going to light the gas right now. Okay, allow the pots to dry a bit. We are going to do a particular method called the boiling method, the frying method. We have different methods of making turmeric oil, but for this particular method, it's going to be the frying method. The other method is called the cold press. This is the hot press method. Alright, after my pot is hot, I will reduce the fire because it has to be on medium heat. Okay, medium heat. And then I add my sunflower oil. After I've added my sunflower oil, I will add, this is about 2 spoons of turmeric, grated turmeric. Okay, so I add it to the hot oil, to the warm oil. Allow it to get hot a bit. Then I add my turmeric. Now you need to be careful right there because turmeric has ability to stain your clothes and your skin, although soap and water should take it off. So I'll allow it to fry under medium heat for about 15 minutes because I want to get all the ingredients out. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties, so it's very good for the body, apart from the fact that it has the ability to lighten the skin too. I'll allow my turmeric to fry under low heat. You can decide to use this method, or you can decide to use the cold press, where you dry your turmeric and you cut it into pieces, you blend it. After you've blended it, you dry it again and blend it again second time to turn it into fine powder, and then you infuse it into your oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, you can use sunflower oil, you can use jojoba oil. Any oil that you decide to use is alright. Remember, it has to be under low heat. Allow it to fry gently. Your turmeric oil has ability to stain your skin, so that's why most people use it on, or they mix it with their cream. The aroma of the fragrance is already coming out. The fragrance of the turmeric is already coming out. So you have this really beautiful amber yellow color. We're going to allow it to dry a bit more. We're going to allow it to dry a bit more. Remember, we're using low heat. With this oil, is suitable for every skin type. If you have oily skin, you can use turmeric oil. These are kind of turmeric oil because the oil that is used as a carrier oil does not clog the skin. You don't have problems with clogging the pores. Alright. Now, it's up to 15 minutes, so we switch it off. Switch off the fire. Now this is how our turmeric looks. We allow it to dry, to get cool a bit, to allow it to cool, After allowing the oil, after I've allowed the oil to cool for some minutes, I'm going to sieve my turmeric oil out. Okay, with a sieve. My turmeric oil out. You can notice the rich yellow amber oil, color of the oil, very rich, very bright too. You need to be careful there because turmeric oil has the ability to stain. Okay. Alright. So that's my pure turmeric oil. Now I am going to add my tea tree oil and my vitamin E oil. My vitamin E oil is going to help my turmeric oil to have a longer shelf life. It's going to stay longer, okay, and make it richer. Vitamin E is very good for your body. Okay. Is a very rich turmeric oil. Apart from the fact that tea tree oil is also good for black patches, it's also a lightening oil too. It's an essential oil. Remember, don't use your essential oil like that. It must always be mixed with a carrier oil. For example, like I'm mixing it with my turmeric oil. So my turmeric oil is ready. You can look at the rich yellow amber color there. It has a very beautiful smell. Okay, you don't have to worry about how it smells. If you're worried about the color, the stains, you can mix it with your cream. With that, you don't have to get worried. Now we are going to package it. Yes. Alright, this is my special body lightening patches clearing turmeric oil. Look at the rich amber yellow color. It's good for all skin types. Remember, the carrier oil we used helps it for all skins. Even if your skin is oily, you can use this on all parts of your body. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.